Hello, welcome. In today's SPSS session, we will learn cross-tabulation. Cross-tabulation is very important to cross-check of your data that it has been entered correctly or not. Your all the variables are okay or not. To check this, we use cross-tabulation. In your research paper, you are expected to keep some cross-tabulation. So in session 1, we'll see the procedures of doing cross-tabulation. Now I'll open my previous saved data file. Yes, I saved this data file by test1.sav previously. So we have few variables over here, that is serial number, participant's name, gender, age group, income and income group, and these are the variable view that we already prepared beforehand. Now to do cross tabulation, what we need to do? First we need to understand the meaning of cross tabulation. Cross tabulation means it's a 2 by 2 table or maybe more than that. So we'll cross verify our data. For example, if I want to do a cross tabulation of age group and gender, then we can do that. I am interested to see how many males belongs to age group of 25 years to 29 years, how many female members are belongs to the same category, then how many males are belongs to 19 years to 24 years, how many males are belongs to that group. So to know that, we will use cross tabulation. So if I ask you to do it, it will be very difficult, no? You need to manually calculate and you need to prepare, but SPSS will give you ready-made data. You need to click only. So for that we will do the test. So first, on top you can see file, edit, view, data, transform, analyze, direct marketing, graphs, utilities, add-on options, window and help. So we need to go to analyze. I click analyze. Then first one is report, second one is descriptive statistics. Then I'll keep my cursor on descriptive statistics, then frequencies, descriptives, explore, then you can see cross tab. Now I'll select cross tab. When I selected cross tab and clicked over there, then one dialog box appeared. Now you need to understand the value of this dialog box. Here you can see our available data, our available variables, that is serial number, name of the participants, gender of the respondents, age of the respondents, age group of the respondents, income of the respondents, income group distribution. So as per your research need, you need to do the cross tabulation, and sometime you will do the cross tabulation to verify your data. Sometimes, for example, you have both male and female cancer patients, and we know that female have genital organ, okay, and that is cervix, but male doesn't have cervix, right? So what happened when you enter data, maybe because of your mistake you put one male patient to the cervix cancer group. That means it is a mistake. Actually, that should be woman, a female. Female is having cervix, right? But because of your mistake, your entire system may collapse. So how to verify this? You will verify with the help of this cross tabulation. So our today's discussion point and question is that we are interested to see that how many males and females are belongs to each age group. So here you can see row and column. So row means horizontal axis, column means vertical. So I'm interested to keep row for gender. I'll put gender in row. Okay. Then in column I have to keep data, and there I'm keeping age group of the respondent. So I am keeping over here, and you can see both are categorical data. So for this cross tabulation I am using both categorical data. Gender is also category, having two categories, and age group. In this study I kept three age group, that is one is 15 to 18 years, second one is 19 to 24 years, and third one is 25 to 29 years. That is youth age group, right? Then you can see here few options. So it is exact, you're not interested, no need to do anything over here. Then go to statistics. So chi-square test, correlation test, now you are not interested to do any kind of test. Okay, you can continue, no issue. Then cells. In cells, that is observed frequency. If it is not click, you please click observed frequencies. Expected, we're not interested for expected. Round cell count, it is okay. Continue. And format, ascending or descending, it's okay, no issue, whatever. Bootstrap, nothing to do anything over here. Okay, you can cancel it, no issue. Then here you can see display cluster bar charts, suppress tables. So I'm interested to see the clustered bar chart. Clustered bar chart means they will provide us the bar chart with different cluster. Maybe male female is a cluster, and they will provide cluster wise data, that is from age group 15 to 18 years, this much of male and female. Then age group 19 to 24 years, this much of males and females. So in that way, so I'll click over here, and then which option I'll prefer? I'll always prefer paste option, because paste, when you'll do paste option, that time you'll be able to see the statistical procedure maybe in your future days. Okay, and if you click OK, then it will appear for this time, and statistical procedure you won't get. So I'll click now to the paste option. I clicked. Now you can see one box appeared, and data set is active, bar chart active, and now you can click here to this green chart, and you can see the data, it appeared, and this is the bar chart also. See, this is for male and this is for female, and blue is 15 to 18 years, then green one is 19 to 24 years, then this color is maybe light chocolate color or whatever color, it is 25 to 29 years. Okay, now I want to save. SPB, I'm not interested for SPB. I can cancel over here, and this one I need to save. So how I'll save? I'll go to that save button. You can see a floppy type things appeared here. So you click over here. Now you can see here syntax or .sps. So we always prefer to save in SPSS. That is our operational procedure, right? So now I'll select desktop, then I'll write cross tab and file name, cross tab of cross tab, gender and age group, then I will save. Now it has saved. Now I will close all these operations. Yes, no, I'll click yes. Now it has closed. So I'm ending this session over here, and I will do this again in session 2 and other procedures also. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. I will take a short break and I'll be returning. Thank you.